Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the stunning beach fashion choices of none other than the gorgeous Pooja Hegde. Let's get started. Pooja Hegde effortlessly masters beach fashion, whether she's savoring a tropical getaway or basking in the sun and sand. The classic bikini is her go-to choice, radiating confidence and celebrating her natural beauty, all while striking the ideal balance between comfort and style. Her beach looks are incomplete without a dash of glamour, achieved through oversized sunglasses, chic floppy hats, and statement jewelry that complement her attire. Cover-ups play a pivotal role in her beach wardrobe, featuring stylish sarongs, flowing kaftans, and breezy beach dresses that seamlessly integrate with her overall beach aesthetic. Her choice of footwear ranges from flip-flops to strappy sandals and espadrilles, each carefully selected to elevate her entire ensemble. For hairstyles, Pooja embraces simplicity with loose waves, messy buns, and braids, perfectly aligning with her relaxed and carefree beach persona. To ensure her skin remains healthy and radiant, sunscreen is a must-have companion on her beach adventures. Pooja Hegde's discerning eye for fabric choices sets her apart. She consistently opts for lightweight and breathable materials in her beachwear, such as cotton, linen, and soft microfiber blends. Her swimwear selection demonstrates an acute awareness of how to accentuate her body's natural curves. Her beach cover-ups serve as more than mere layers, often featuring intricate lace patterns or colorful embroidery, infusing an air of elegance and sophistication into her beach ensemble. When it comes to swimwear patterns, Pooja's versatility shines through. From playful polka dots to vibrant tropical floral prints, she masterfully matches patterns to the beach's ambience, creating eye-catching and vibrant outfits. She frequently chooses swimwear pieces that offer flexibility, allowing for mix-and-match possibilities. This approach enables her to create unique combinations by pairing different bikini tops with complementary bottoms, effectively expanding her beach wardrobe. Pooja's meticulous attention to detail extends to her beach bag. She often selects beach totes equipped with zippered compartments to safeguard her phone, wallet, and other valuables, ensuring they remain secure and dry. She doesn't compromise on the fit of her swimwear, prioritizing comfort and security. Her swimwear choices frequently feature adjustable straps, underwire support, and stretchy fabric, enabling her to move with ease and confidence. Her beach makeup is minimal yet waterproof, carefully chosen to endure a day of swimming and sunbathing without smudging or fading. These thoughtful touches infuse a touch of glamour and elevate her beach looks, ensuring they remain captivating. Her swimwear often incorporates built-in UV protection, adding an essential layer of defense for her skin against the sun's harmful rays. Pooja Hegde's beach photoshoots are more than just pretty pictures. They are visual stories that capture the essence of the beach and her style. The choice of locations is crucial in her beach photoshoots. She often selects beaches with unique features, like stunning rock formations, palm-lined shores, or vibrant coral reefs, creating a striking backdrop for her images. Her poses are a significant part of the photoshoot's success. She's known for her fluid and graceful movements, which enhance the visual storytelling. Her poses convey the mood and ambience of the beach setting. Pooja's wardrobe for beach photoshoots is carefully curated. She works with stylists who select swimwear and cover-ups that not only flatter her figure but also harmonize with the surrounding colors, creating a cohesive visual narrative. She often collaborates with makeup artists who specialize in beach looks. Her beach photos often feature the play of light and shadow. Photographers use the sun's golden hour to create a warm and dreamy atmosphere, which adds to the overall allure of the shots. Candid moments are also a significant part of Pooja's beach photoshoots. Photographers capture her genuine laughter and interactions with the beach environment, creating a sense of spontaneity and authenticity. Drone shots are a favorite technique in Pooja's beach photoshoots. Aerial perspectives offer a unique view of the beach landscape and her interaction with it, adding an extra layer of visual interest. Pooja is often photographed against a backdrop of rolling waves, which adds movement and rhythm to the imagery. Her beach photoshoots often incorporate creative props. From seashells to beach balls, these props add an element of playfulness and beach-themed storytelling to the images. Underwater shots are another highlight of her beach photoshoots. She's often captured swimming and exploring beneath the waves, creating a mesmerizing underwater world that complements the beach. Pooja Hegde's beach photoshoots are a symphony of elements, beginning with meticulous planning. Her team carefully selects beaches with distinct features. Whether it's a secluded cove, a windswept dune, or a bustling boardwalk, each location serves as a character in the photoshoot's narrative. Pooja's beach photoshoots are a testament to the power of nature. The wind, sun, and sea are embraced as elements that amplify the mood and energy of her images. The wind tousles her hair, the sun kisses her skin, and the sea's rhythm adds a sense of timelessness. Her choice of swimwear is carefully coordinated with the beach's color palette. The colors in her outfits harmonize with the sky, the sea, and the surrounding landscape, creating a visual unity that's both mesmerizing and sophisticated. Pooja's hairstylists have mastered the art of creating the beachy waves look. Her tousled, salt-kissed locks are more than just a hairstyle. They embody the very essence of the beach, conveying a carefree and sun-soaked aesthetic. Her photo shoots often feature a juxtaposition of soft, flowing fabrics against the rugged, natural textures of the beach, adding depth and contrast to the images. Drone photography adds another layer of creativity to Pooja's beach photos. Whether it's a billowing beach umbrella, a vintage surfboard, or a simple seashell, these props are carefully selected to evoke a specific mood and sentiment. Pooja Hegde's beach photo shoots are a symphony of meticulous planning, storytelling, and artistic execution. Every element, from the choice of location to the play of light and shadow, is orchestrated with precision. Each photo shoot tells a unique narrative, be it one of carefree beach days, adventurous seaside escapades, or romantic sunsets by the ocean. Her interactions with her surroundings add an authentic and relatable dimension to the images, as she collects seashells, builds sand castles, or engages in beach sports. The organic use of natural props, like palm leaf hats or driftwood benches, adds an authentic beachy charm. Time of day is selected with great care, often capturing the enchanting golden hour light during sunrise or sunset, infusing a magical quality into the photos. The interplay between sunlight and shadow creates striking visual effects, with dappled light filtering through leaves or her silhouette contrasting against the bright beach backdrop. Water is a recurring narrative element, where she's often captured waist deep in the sea or with waves gently kissing her feet, adding serenity and movement to the shots. Swimwear and accessories are chosen not just for color but for texture, with fabrics like crochet and textured patterns adding depth. The juxtaposition of solitude and connection is a recurring theme, reflecting the duality of beach experiences, from peaceful isolation to joyful togetherness. The choice of locations is far from arbitrary, it's an intentional decision that transforms the beach into a character in her visual narratives. Whether it's the dramatic cliffs of a hidden cove, the serene beauty of a secluded bay, or the vibrant energy of a bustling beachfront, each setting plays a vital role in shaping the story told through her photos. They deftly weave the golden hour's soft light into her shots, creating an atmosphere of warmth and wonder. These photos aren't mere images, they are visual tales that transport you to the very heart of the beach, capturing its serene whispers and jubilant laughter. Every shoot evokes an intricate balance between solitude and connection, a portrayal of personal reflections and shared experiences on the sandy shores. The candid moments that punctuate her photo shoots are not accidental. They are carefully choreographed to capture her genuine emotions, reminding us of the raw beauty of life by the sea. Her swimwear, selected with precision, is a canvas that complements the beach's colors, textures, and moods. The interplay of sunlight and shadow is another art form mastered in her photos, with the dazzling rays creating a mesmerizing dance of illumination and the soft twilight adding a touch of enchantment. Her wardrobe and accessories are not mere adornments. They are integral to the stories. They effortlessly bridge the gap between style and storytelling, conveying personality, mood, and memories. Whether it's a straw hat adorning her silhouette or a rustic driftwood bench adding a rustic touch, these elements breathe life into the narrative. Pooja Hegde's beach photo shoots are not just pictures, they are immersive experiences, a journey to the beach, where fashion, nature, and emotions intertwine to create timeless stories. Her collaborations with skilled photographers and creative teams elevate her beach photo shoots to cinematic experiences. The choice of locations is far from arbitrary, it's an intentional selection of landscapes that become integral to the narrative. Whether she's in a tranquil lagoon with azure waters, a windswept shoreline with wild dunes, or a bustling beachside promenade, each location is a carefully crafted backdrop that sets the stage for her visual tales. Whether she's caught in the gentle embrace of sea foam, her silhouette framed by the setting sun, or the wind tousling her hair as she gazes at the horizon, these moments encapsulate the true spirit of the beach. The passage of time is a fundamental component of her beach photo shoots. The golden hour, with its ethereal glow during sunrise and sunset, is the canvas upon which her stories are painted. The play of light and shadow, the vibrant hues of the sky, and the soft transitions between day and night become integral to the mood and atmosphere. Pooja Hegde's choice of swimwear is a balance of elegance and comfort. She often opts for one-piece swimsuits with unique designs, plunging necklines, and high cuts that accentuate her figure. These swimsuits not only offer support and coverage but also make a striking fashion statement. Bikinis are also a favorite in her beach wardrobe. She's often seen in trendy two-piece sets, featuring a range of styles from classic triangle tops to bandeau and high-waisted bottoms. Her bikini choices showcase her confidence and her ability to embrace various swimwear trends. Cover-ups are a crucial part of her beach fashion. Pooja often selects sheer or lace cover-ups that add an extra layer of sophistication to her look. These cover-ups provide both style and sun protection, making them a versatile choice for beach outings. Footwear plays a significant role in her beach choices. She opts for comfortable and stylish sandals, often in neutral colors. These sandals are not only practical for the sandy beach terrain but also effortlessly elevate her overall beach look. Her beach accessories are thoughtfully curated. Her choice of sunglasses ranges from classic aviators to trendy cat eye frames. Hats are another fashion element that Pooja embraces. Whether it's a wide-brimmed sun hat or a casual straw hat, her headwear adds an extra layer of sun protection while enhancing the overall beach chic aesthetic. When it comes to beach bags, Pooja's choices are both fashionable and functional. Her beach jewelry is a blend of bohemian and beachy vibes. She accessorizes with seashell necklaces, anklets, and statement earrings, which not only connect her with the beach's natural elements but also accentuate her beach look. Pooja's beach hairstyles are versatile. She effortlessly switches between loose beach waves, high buns, and braided styles, adapting her hair to the beach environment. Her beachy waves are often her signature choice, adding a touch of casual elegance to her look. And there you have it, Pooja Hegde's beach fashion choices. From bikinis to one-pieces, accessories to cover-ups, she knows how to rock the beach style like a true fashion icon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.